Tax filing can feel like navigating a maze, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. First, gather all your documents: W-2s, 1099s, and receipts. Organizing these is like assembling a puzzle. Each piece is crucial. Next, choose your filing method. You can go old school with paper forms or use software that simplifies the process. Just remember, e-filing is usually faster and can get you your refund sooner. Don't forget about deductions. Whether it's for home office expenses or student loan interest, these can significantly lower your taxable income. And if you're self-employed, track your business expenses diligently. They can save you a bundle. Finally, file on time to avoid penalties. If you need more time, consider filing for an extension, but don't forget to pay any taxes owed to avoid interest. Tax season may be stressful, but with a little preparation, you can turn it into a manageable task.